Hello guys and very warm welcome to this new tutorial of the series Laravel, and today you will learn introduction to Laravel. So don't miss any point and watch till end for better understanding. And if you are new to the channel, do subscribe to the channel for latest updates. So let's get started. Introduction to Laravel. Laravel is a powerful MVC PHP framework designed for developers who need a simple and elegant toolkit to create full-featured web applications. Laravel was created by Taylor Otwell. This is a brief tutorial that explains the basics of Laravel framework. This video will guide the developers and students who want to learn how to develop a website using Laravel. This tutorial is particularly meant for all those developers who have no prior experience of using Laravel. Before you start proceeding with this tutorial, we assume that you are familiar with HTML, core PHP, and advanced PHP. Okay, and if you are not familiar, then there is a separate playlist on core PHP in this channel. So do watch that playlist for better understanding. If you are new to any of these concepts, we suggest you to pick tutorial based on this concept first to gain a better understanding of Laravel. Please note that we have used Laravel version 5.7 in all the examples. Laravel overview. Laravel is an open source PHP framework which is robust and easy to understand. It follows a model view controller design pattern. Laravel reuses the existing components of different frameworks, which helps in creating a web application. The web application thus design is more structured and pragmatic. Laravel offers a rich set of functionalities which incorporates the basic features of PHP framework like CodeIgniter, Ye, and other programming languages like Ruby on Rails. Laravel has a very rich set of features which will boost the speed of web development. If you are familiar with core PHP and advanced PHP, Laravel will make your task easier. It saves a lot of time if you are planning to develop a website from scratch. Moreover, a website built in Laravel is secure and prevents several web attacks. Then the advantages of Laravel. Laravel offers you the following advantages when you are designing a web application based on it. First, the web application becomes more scalable owing to the Laravel framework. Second, considerable time is saved in designing the web application since Laravel reuses the components from other frameworks in developing web application. Third, it includes namespaces and interfaces, thus helps to organize and manage resources. Then the next concept we will see is a composer. Composer is a tool which includes all the dependencies and libraries. It allows a user to create a project with respect to the mentioned framework. For example, those using Laravel installation. Third-party libraries can be installed easily with help of Composer. All the dependencies are noted in composer.json is placed in source folder. So composer.json file is important in this concept. Then the next concept is artisan. What is artisan? Command line interface used in Laravel is called artisan. It includes a set of commands which assist in building a web application. These commands are incorporated from Symfony framework, resulting in add-on features in Laravel 5.1, that is the latest version of Laravel. Now we will see the features of Laravel. So what are the important features of Laravel? Laravel offers the following key features which makes it an ideal choice for designing web applications. So first, modularity. Laravel provides 20 built-in libraries and modules which helps in enhancement of application. Every module is integrated and composer dependency manager which eases updates. The next is testability. Laravel includes features and helpers which helps in testing through various test cases. This feature helps in maintaining the code as per the requirement. Then the next is routing. Laravel provides a flexible approach to the user to define routes in the web application. Routing helps to scale the application in a better way and increases its performance. The next is configuration management. Our application designed in Laravel will be running on different environments, which means that there will be a constant change in its configuration. Laravel provides a consistent approach to handle the configuration in an efficient way. The next is Query Builder and ORM. Laravel incorporates a query builder which helps in querying databases using various simple chain methods. It provides ORM, Object Relational Mapper, and Active Record implementation called Eloquent. So the next feature is Schema Builder. Schema Builder maintains the database definition and schema in PHP code. It also maintains a track of changes with respect to database migrations. The next is template engine. Laravel uses Blade Template Engine, a lightweight template language used to design hierarchical blocks and layouts with predefined blocks that include dynamic content. Next feature is email. Laravel includes a mail class which helps in sending mail with rich content and attachment from the web application. The next feature is authentication. User authentication is a common feature in web applications. Laravel eases designing authentication as it includes features such as register, forget password, and send password reminders. The next feature of Laravel is Redis. Laravel uses Redis to connect to an existing session and general purpose cache. Redis interacts with session directly. The next feature of Laravel is queues. Laravel includes queue service like emailing large number of users or a specified cron job. These queues help in completing tasks in an easier manner without waiting for the previous task to be completed. The next and last feature of the Laravel is Event and Command Bus. Laravel 5.1 includes Command Bus which helps in executing commands and dispatch events in simple way. The commands in Laravel as per the application's lifecycle. So thank you for watching this very important tutorial, that is introduction to Laravel. Subscribe to the channel to watch the useful videos like this, and like, comment and share this video to your friends. Keep watching, keep learning. Thank you. Jai Hind.